Oh. Go for it.
Sorry, dude.
You're good, you're good. Now I'm feeling extra loose here. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
How you doing?
Not bad. I might try a little bit of regen. I don't know. How do I do that? I thought I gotta put this down. Braking max. There. Try that. Might help a little. I'm not used to going zero regen. But I almost didn't make it last time back, so we were thinking it was robbing me, you know, from power.
I think we go that way.
Okay, cool.
Go back.
Okay.
Up the rear.
Okay. Yeah.
Through there. mistaken. I don't know that, but that's what my nose is telling me, or maybe even forward. Depends. Yeah, to the left, it looks like we can go to this Tacoma Creek.
Hell yeah.
All you.
Okay. Left again?
Let me look again.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oop.
Could we have gone forward there and stayed on the single track?
Was there a single track continue back there?
Yeah, it was the
I think so.
It probably crosses the road right there, I bet.
I think we should go back to the single track.
Alright. Cool.
Road ride.
Nah, single track's better, right?
Huh?
Single track's better. Okay, I didn't see it. Good call. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Can't hear ya.
The trail crosses the road right up there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, yeah. Oh. This thing feels like it's kind of bucking me the whole time, you know? I'm gonna loosen up my rear.
Yeah, I don't know how. Sometimes you gotta do the other one too.
To slow down the rebound?
Yeah. I don't know.
Shit. Should I try it? You guys got a second?
Go for it.
Alright, I gotta get a tool. I don't know if I got one in here. I think I do. It feels like, man, it's kicking me.
Really?
It's just bucking me. And I kind of noticed it when we were riding back on that very last thing downhill. I was having a hell of a time, like when I'd whoop off a jump, like keeping it level, because I was nose diving on everything. I was like, fuck. Okay, let's try it real quick as I can. Taking way too much. Damn. Maybe it's... I ain't got shit for air in my tires either, but...
Yeah, that's a good thing though.
That's what I'm saying. It should be good, huh?
Yeah, I mean, your tires is your first point of suspension. You got a good...
There is one.
I don't know how much it's so fucking tight.
I'm thinking slow it down, huh? So it doesn't spring up so fast?
Yeah.
Negative should be slower, correct? Should be. Yep. I'm just gonna do 4 clicks slower. Try that. If that don't work, well, fuck, I don't know. I usually never even touch the suspension because it seems like you just click on shit forever and you never...
look up what people online have like first.
That's where I started, yeah. Some guy on YouTube, he was like the same weight as me and everything. He's like, start right here. This is where I think's perfect.
Yep.
Maybe it could be my rim and tire. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows? But it's worth a shot while I'm sitting, while I'm out here.
Too.
Sometimes you do it and then it's just perfect.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's...
And like sometimes I thought the front makes a lot more difference than the rear, you know what I'm saying?
Really? Yeah?
I feel like, yeah.
I kind of like my rear soft and spongy.
I don't know. I'm pretty happy with the way the front feels. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it. It's just the back is like
Yeah, I get it.
flicking me up. Like I'm too light on it or something. I don't know. It's weird. Might just be me. That's always possible. Too much luggage. There we go. Alright. Straight through, huh?
Yeah.
What are we at, 306? You want me to go? Or?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright. $309 or $306, huh?
Yeah.
He says, yeah. Follow me or what? I don't care either way. Wherever you guys want to go, though. What you got? Chain good?
A little tight.
Want to fuck with it?
I don't have all the shit.
You need, do I got, oh, you need a big sprocket or socket tool for the axle, huh?
A 19 and then a 10.
Yeah, I got nothing.
It'll be all right.
That way?
309 or 306? I can look.
You got that on X or whatever?
Yeah, but I don't really understand it.
Yeah, I am totally not good with computers at all, dude. I'm a fucking idiot when it comes to that shit.
Oh, I'm guaranteed getting us lost, dude, so keep an eye on me.
309.
309? Okay. Fuck me. Holy fuck. Whew. Oh.
Good.
Hope so, yeah.
Eddie good.
Extra scratches all. Damn, my switch.
Oh, good. We're almost to the top of something. Didn't you say that was already fucked up?
Yeah. Yeah, that was already there. I might have did it on this side. Nope, we're good.
You must have hit right on the frame or something.
Catch my breath for a second.
Go for it.
God, it ain't gonna stay up unless I find a rock. You guys go up that shit easy. I struggle. I don't know if might just be me. I didn't have a lot of arm strength at the end of that one. And those rocks just kind of...
Think it's a weight, maybe?